This equipment is a four-station medium-frequency induction screw heating custom-made in 2018 for an automotive part manufacturing enterprise in China. The equipment is used for heating the end of steel bars, which are then forget into shape after the heating process. The medium-frequency induction heating device outputs a PLC infrared temperature measurement control method, achieving a through heating temperature of approximately 1100 to 1200 degrees Celsius. It offers fast heating speed with minimal oxidation and decarbonization. Furthermore, the four-station design significantly improves production efficiency. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us. We are Zhengzhou Ghosts.